हाँ, नमः सर्वेभ्यः स्वागतं। प्रार्थनया प्रारम्भं करोमि। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। हरिः ओं तत्सत्। तु ह्यः वयं काव्यकथायाः भागे सप्तमः पाठः। तस्मिन् काव्यकथा इत्यस्मिन् भागे अर्धं यावत् पठितवन्तः। भवन्तः एव केचन पठितवन्तः तत्। पुनः यद् ह्यस्तनकक्षायाम् अस्माभिः किञ्चित् ज्ञातं तस्य एकवारं झटिति संस्कृते एव पठित्वा तस्य सान्दर्भिकज्ञानं प्राप्त्वा अग्रे पठितुं प्रयत्नं कुर्मः। काव्यकथायां भीमयुधिष्ठिरयोः संवादः। भीमयुधिष्ठिरयोः संवादः। लुक एट द स्पेलिंग। युधिष्ठिरयोः। ओके, स्थिर युधिष्ठिरयोः संवादः। अर्जुनस्य इन्द्रकीलप्रयाणं तु गत पाठे तु अस्माभिः द्रौपद्याः आदेशं किम् आसीत् इति ज्ञानं प्राप्तवन्तः वयं। तु अत्र अग्रे भीमः युधिष्ठिरेण साकं किं वदति संवादे, अपि च तदनन्तरम् अन्ततो गत्वा निर्धारः कः। अर्जुनः इन्द्रकीलप्रयाणं प्रयाणस्य प्रारम्भं करोति इति तात्पर्यं तत्र लिखितमस्ति। तु एकवारं पठामः। द्रौपद्याः वचनानन्तरं भीमसेनः वक्तुम् आरम्भं कृतवान्। सः तस्याः वचनं श्रेष्ठम् इति चिन्तितवान्। भीमः कथयति। कृपया मध्ये अनम्यूट मा कुर्वन्तु, प्रार्थना। भीमः कथयति, अग्रज, द्रौपद्याः वचनं रमणीयं। बृहस्पतिः अपि एवं वक्तुं न शक्तः किल। तस्याः वचनम् अर्थगर्भितम् अस्ति। अतः तस्याः वचनं भवान् स्वीकुरु। त्वं स्वीकुरु। तव बुद्धिः विद्यासु परिणिता अस्ति किल। कथं कौरवाणां विषये सा बुद्धिः नष्टा। देवाः अपि पूर्वमस्माकं पौरुषम् अभिनन्दन्ति स्म। इदानीं ते अपि अपहास्यं कुर्वन्ति। अस्माकं पौरुषं प्रधानं न दैन्यं। त्वं 12 वर्षाणाम् अवधि निरीक्षणं करोषि। तद्व्यर्थं किल। सम्पदः अनुभूय को वा प्रत्यर्पयति। अथवा यदि स्वीकुर्मः तत् प्रत्यर्पणम् अपि स्वीकुर्मः तत् अपमानम् अस्माकम् इति वदति। अतः शान्तिमार्गं परित्यज्य वीरमार्गम् आश्रय युद्धं कुर्मः। शत्रूणां नाशः भवतु इति भीमः उक्तवान्। भीमस्य वचनं श्रुत्वा युधिष्ठिरः उपदेशम् आरब्धवान्। तव वचनम् अर्थपूर्णं, तथापि अहं किञ्चित् चिन्तयामि। सर्वं कार्यं त्वरया न कर्तव्यम्। विमर्शः आवश्यकः। इन्द्रियाणां निग्रहः अवश्यं कर्तव्यः। शान्तिः प्रधानं साधनं। दुष्टाः तत्काले सुखमनुभवन्ति, अन्ते तु विनश्यन्ति एव इति। तस्मिन् एव समये आश्रमं व्यासमुनिः आगतवान्। युधिष्ठिरः अतीव सन्तुष्टः अभवत्। पूजासत्कारं अर्थात् तत्र व्यासमुनेः पूजासत्कारं कृतवान् युधिष्ठिरः। अनन्तरं धर्मराजः वक्तुम् आरब्धवान्। हे मुनिश्रेष्ठ, तव आगमनेन अस्माकं जन्म सफलम् अभवत्। त्वं निस्पृहः अस्माकं समीपे किं वा पृच्छसि। अतः तव आगमन प्रयोजनं न पृष्टवान् अहं, तथापि तव वचनं श्रोतुमिच्छामि वर्य इति। युधिष्ठिरस्य वचनं श्रुत्वा अत्र अस्माभिः पठनस्य अनुक्रमणं करणीयम्। तत्र यः कोऽपि पठितुं या कापि पठितुम् इच्छति, राव महोदय, GSN राव महोदय, भवान् पठतु।
धन्यवादः महोदय। युधिष्ठिरस्य वचनं श्रुत्वा व्यासमहर्षिः उक्तवान्, राजश्रेष्ठ, त्वं सर्वेषु समानं प्रीतिं निक्षिप्तवान्।
समानां प्रीतिं
निक्षिप्तवान्।
अत्र स्थगयतु किञ्चित् अनुवादं कृत्वा अग्रे सरामः।
अस्तु महोदय।
युधिष्ठिरस्य वचनं, द वर्ड ऑफ युधिष्ठिरा, श्रुत्वा, हैविंग हर्ड, व्यास महर्षिः, व्यासा उक्तवान्, he told, so, राजश्रेष्ठ, O you the supreme of the kings, tvam sarveshu, you amongst all, samanam pritim, equal affection, nikshiptavan, you placed. Continue Mahodaya.
Beginning and all you didn't explain, sir?
Yesterday's recording, kindly.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Tava swabhavo avinandaniyaha.
Your nature is to be appreciated, congratulated. Continue.
Munishwapi tavayam swabhavaha stuto yogyaha.
Stuti yogyaha.
Stuti yogyaha.
Munishu api, munishwapi, u plus a vakara adesha, yand sandhi. Okay. So munishu api, amongst the munis also, tava ayam, you were this. Okay. So savarna dirgha, swabhavaha, nature, stuti yogyaha, is deserving of praise. Okay. Continue, sir.
Tava gunairaham santushtaha.
By your good qualities, I am happy.
Vayam moksham praptum prayatnam kurmaha.
We moksham praptum, to attain salvation. I don't know salvation is the correct translation. Let's take it. Prayatnam kurmaha, effort we will do.
Kasmin api vishesha pritir asmakam nasti.
We don't have any specific love for any particular person. I mean, we munis, we have equal affection for all good people. I am adding good there. Continue, sir.
Tadapi sadhu janeshu vishesha pritir bhavatyeva.
Even so, even though we try to maintain equal affection with everyone without taking into the individual nature, despite that, tathapi, even then, sadhu janeshu, amongst the people who are peaceful, okay, and righteous, vishesha pritihi, special affection, bhavati eva, will be there only.
Ataha upadesha vachanani katayami.
Therefore, upadesha vachanani, words of directives, kathayami, I will tell you.
Duryodhanaha shastrastra sangraham krutavan.
Eka nimisham. Was there a question from someone in between?
Yes, sir. Actually, tathapi sadhu janeshu vishesha pridir bhavatyeva. Can you please explain again?
Tatha api, even so. Okay, sadhu janeshu, amongst the people of good nature and peaceful nature, vishesha pritihi, special affection, bhavati, is there eva, indeed. So vishesha priti means specific affection, special affection, special love.
For whom?
For the sadhu janas.
Sir, sadhu janeshu. Sir, I didn't get that.
See here what has happened. Vyasamuni has come to the Pandavas who are in the Vanavasa, who has come to the camp of the Pandavas. Please stay quietly. I will just try to explain as best as I know, then you can jump in. Okay.
Yes,
So,
okay.
Mahodaya has a confusion. Let's resolve it. So, Vyasa Muni, Vyasa Maharshi, who is the very author of the whole treatise in the end, he has come to that ashrama.
Yes.
Okay. And just before Vyasamuni has come, all this argument and countervada and all has happened. If you remember the context, first Yudhishthira would have sent a spy in the Vesha of a Brahmin to the not Brahmin in the Vesha of a somebody. Okay, to the camp of Kauravas, so that to observe how Duryodhana is doing. So that guy returns saying, everything is fine. We don't see any wrong thing happening. He seems to be like a good king, etc. And so in the end, even that spy concludes saying, "Hey Rajan, hey Yudhishthira, you may have to prepare and fight hard to get back your throne. It is not being given to you on a platter." Okay, that kind of conveying he has done. So after that, Yudhishthira confers with his brothers and wife and explains the situation. And first Draupadi goes and advises him, look, this peaceful approach of you, keep on waiting the time out and all is not a wise thing. Let us be Kshatriyas and go and fight and get our due. And Bhima is supporting that. In the previous couple of paragraphs, we saw how Bhima supports Draupadi's words and continues the let us say the pressure on Yudhishthira to grant for a warlike preparation to reclaim the glory. Obviously, with the 12-year term coming to an end, they want to do that in time. So at that very moment, opportunistic moment when Yudhishthira is still dilly-dallying, okay, saying, we have to be very, very Gandhian in approach, we have to maintain very, peaceful front, etc. and all that. Vyasa happens to come to the camp, and Yudhishthira has just done all the necessary sambhavana, etc. to the Vyasa, like offering water for cleaning, etc. And then starts off the chat with Vyasa. First saying, you are an ascetic, what you will need from us, but still I will ask you, please tell me what is that you wish to say. We would love to listen to you. And that's when Vyasa starts off saying, look, I am a Muni. And people like us don't have any specific love for any particular person. So that in a sense, what he is conveying is, I'm not trying to be partial to you Pandavas. I have equal love to Kauravas also. That's the hidden meaning there. But even then he says, having noticed both your camps, I think that I'm putting in bracket, people like us, ascetics like us, still do have increased affection, special affection for sadhu janas, hinting that you are a sadhu jana, and so
All right.
I would like to have a special affection for you. So I will give you some specific advice, upadesha.
Oh, thank you.
That's okay. That's the whole context.
Yes.
Rao Mahodaya, continue, sir.
So nicely explained.
अस्तु महोदय दुर्योधनः शस्त्रास्त्रसङ्ग्रहं कृतवान्.
So he is Kathayami and he continues. I think there is no specific quote open shown here, but we can kind of understand after this Upadesha Vachanani Kathayami that this is all Vyasa's words to Duryodhana. Okay. Actually, the quote has already started. Sorry. Rajashrestha, from there only it has started. So nothing. He's continuing the train. That's why there is nothing new. In between, he has kind of said, now I am switching track about Upadesha. Okay. So Duryodhana, he has done Shastra and Astra Sangraha. Okay. So he has collected weapons of war. Continue, sir.
भवत्स्वपि शूरः अर्जुनः शस्त्र संग्रहं करोतु.
So he's telling Yudhishthira there is no need to wait the 12 years and then prepare. You can start preparing. So Bhavatsu api, amidst you also, means amongst you also, Shuraha Arjunaha, the valorful Arjuna, Shastra Sangaham karotu, may he collect armaments. Continue.
सः पशुपतिषु उद्दिश्य
read again.
Sorry. सः पशुपतिं उद्दिश्य तपः कृत्वा पशुपतास्त्रं
Read again.
पशुपतास्त्रं
No.
सर सः पशुपतिम् उद्दिश्य तपः कृत्वा पशुपतास्त्रं
See,
सम्पादयतु
you are overlooking. Beginnies, please wait. You are overlooking the accents and all. You have to look for everything. Pa is there, but there is a dirgha akara. Pashupatastram.
पाशुपतास्त्रं
Not
क्षम्यतां महोदय
Pashupatastram. Not Pashupatastram. Pashupatastram.
क्षम्यतां
No problem. No
पाशुपतास्त्रं
problem. I am bringing attention to where the faults are. That's all.
आम् महोदय पुनः एकवारं वदतु वा
आम् वदतु.
सः पशुपतिम् उद्दिश्य तपः कृत्वा पाशुपतास्त्रं सम्पादयतु
So sampadayatu is lot in prathama vibhakti. So may he, like saha sampadayatu. So saha, that is Arjunaha, may he obtain. Okay, lot. So what is that he should obtain? Pashupatim uddishya, addressing Pashupati, which is Lord Shiva. So Pashupatim uddishya, addressing Lord Shiva, tapaha kritva, having done austerities, Pashupatastram sampadayatu. May he obtain the astra of Pashupati. So the Pashupata is of Pashupati. So there is a growth. Okay. So that's why this pa is very important. It's not Pashupatastram. Pashupatastram. The astra of Pashupati granted by Pashupati. Okay. This is the standard thing. Dasharathasya putraha dhasharatihi. That
sir,
same.
Taddit pratyay, Taddit. Is it Taddit?
You tell Bhagini. Is it Taddita Pratyaya?
Yes, sir, it is.
What type of Taddita Pratyaya is it?
Sir, but like Dasharathi and all that.
So since we have not studied that subject, let's not jump too much. At this moment, it's enough for our students to understand that there is some kind of Pratyaya process to convert Pashupati to Pashupata. Okay. So Pashupata, that means of Pashupati. Enough to know that much. It is not a normal Vibhakti type of declension. It is a change of the Pratipadika only. And if you go back to my second lecture, there is a flow chart of how words are generated. There is a way to convert one noun to a new noun stem. Okay, that is called Tadditanta Pratyaya. So there are a whole lot of them. One type is where the son of Dasharatha is Dasharati, like that. And that something else of somebody, maybe another Pratyaya may be there, but it's a similar type of growth. Pashupata. Okay. So, all right. So, Sampadayatu. May you obtain that particular astra of Pashupati. Continue, sir.
Aham ekam mantram upadishami.
One particular technical verse, which is has the power of attaining something, that's called mantra. So one mantra I will bestow upon you. I will teach you. Continues.
Tena mantrena tapaha acharitum shakyate.
By that mantra, you can do this tapas. Okay, that means your tapas will need some mantra to focus upon. Use this particular mantra. That's what he's trying to say. So that, the power of the tapas is best. Continue.
Pratamam tapasa indraha aradaniyaha.
At first, by the austerity measure, Indra should be celebrated or praised or worshipped. Continues.
Indrasya anugrahena parakramaha bhavati.
By his grace or grant, you will get enormous strength. Okay. Continue.
Aham ekam yaksham preshayami.
I will send one Yaksha Purusha. Yakshas and Gandharvas, they're all like semi-demigods. So belong to the Deva clan, different sub-clans therein. Okay, and Yakshas are those. So typically endowed with different art capabilities, and also they act like agents for gods to carry out various things. So aham ekam yaksham preshayami. I will send you one Yaksha.
Saha arjunam tapovanam nayati.
He, Arjuna as the object, to the forest of tapas he will take. Okay, double karma. See, nayana kriya. Whenever you have to take something, okay, that which is taken and the destination both come as two different types of karma padas to nayana kriya. So, saha Arjunam tapovanam nayati. Continue, sir.
Emam muktva Vyasaha adrishyo jataha.
Having told so, evam uktva, having told so, Vyasa disappeared. That means he didn't need to ambulate like normal people being a Maharshi. So he had a way of manifesting himself and disappearing without a trace like that. Like Narada also was given to do. So it's a nice esoteric concept. We don't have to go into science of all this. So you can even read it as he went away. Okay, Adrishyo Jataha doesn't necessarily mean he disappeared like that, bang. He just went away is also an interpretation that you can take. Thank you, Mahodaya. Well read.
Dhanyavada Mohan.
Dhanyavada, Havarya. Anybody else wishes to read? Kalpana and Murthy.
Shall I read, sir?
Yes. 1 minute. Somebody. Okay. I think it was
Rangarajan.
Rangarajan, na? Okay. Is Krishnan, there is one Krishnan Varya who is gone on hold. I don't know, he's having some problem. Are you able to hear Krishnan Varya? Krishnan? I think maybe he has a call in between and that's why it is showing hold. I don't know what's all happening. Sir, you read, sir, Rangarajan Varya.
So can I ask you only one sentence?
Agata.
1 minute, sir. What is the Bhagini? You have a question?
Mantram, that Pratamam Tapasa Indra Aradhaniya. What is that, sir?
Aradhana. Aradhana means stuti, praise and such things we do to God.
Pujaniya.
Pujaniya, Aradhaniya. So Indra is deserving of that puja through that first tapas. Like that.
Tapas. Oh, okay. Thank you, sir.
Mahodaya, please read, sir.
Yaksha Agataha.
Yakshaha
Arjuna.
Agata. 1 minute, one sentence, let me translate then and there, sir. So Yaksha Visarga Lopa Yakshaha. So Yakshaha Agataha. So this particular Yaksha that Vyasamuni promised to send, he arrived. So Vyasa obviously he sent this telegraphic message and that fellow came. Wireless techniques. Continue, sir.
Arjuna Gamanartham Siddhaha.
Arjuna, for the sake of going, became ready fellow. I mean, you see the kta pratyaya. Arjuna siddha abhavat. Abhavat has to be assumed there as the missing kriya pada. So he readied himself to go. Like continue.
Tada Draupadi Katayati.
At that time.
Paryantam Tapasyamachara.
So Draupadi at that time, she wanted to give encouraging words to Arjuna because, after all, she had kind of initiated this whole thing. If you remember, she was the one who started off the trend. She was a trend setter in the family. So Pala Paryantam Tapasyam Achara. Up until you obtain the fruit. Paryantam is up until. And Phala is Phala Prapti Paryantam. We have to read it. Prapti is implicit in Phala. So, okay. You can also write Phala Prapti Paryantam, but they have shortened out the Praptis and Phala Paryantam until the fruit is begotten. Tapasyam, the austerity, Achara, you observe. Continue.
Shatrunam Jayartham Samarthyam Sampadaniyam.
Of the Shatrus, Shatrunam, Shishti Bahuvachana, of the Shatrus, of the enemies, Jayartham, victory over, for the purpose of victory over, Samarthyam, the ability, Sampadaniyam, should be obtained by us. Samarthyam being an Napumsaka, Aniyar Pratyaya is in Napumsaka, Sampadaniyam, like that. Continue.
Vyasa Vachanam Anusara अस्माकं मनोरथः सफलो भवतु इति.
Vyachavasanam achara, anusara, क्षम्यताम्. So this is again directive. Anusara, tvam anusara. You observe the word of Vyasa. Please do not get distracted because I know you will run off for another bride. I am saying that. Don't overread me. Arjuna and Tapas, you guys can imagine this trouble. Continue, sir.
अर्जुनो दुर्योधनादीन् शत्रून् स्मृतवान्.
Sorry, I missed translating one sentence there. Asmakam manoratha sapalaha bhavatu. Our desires. Okay, manoratha. You see this construction. Manas is the mind and ratha is something that runs. So the running of our mind is translated as desire. Okay, our desire sapalaha bhavatu. May it become fruitful. Arjunaha. Duryodhanadin Shatrun. So Arjuna, the enemies who are Duryodhana, led by Duryodhana and others. Adi means at the beginning. Okay. So we use this in the sense of Duryodhana, etc. Okay. Smritavan, he remembered these enemies. Continue, sir.
Saha kavacham krutavan. Yakshena saha gatavan.
So he wore the armor, so some protective armor. I mean, what is the context of wearing protective armor? See, they were in some Ajñatavasa somewhere, and so he assumed that Duryodhana is restive, though he is ruling well. He will have sent his Sainikas here, there to try and hunt us down, etc. So he doesn't, though he's going as for tapas, he's a kshatriya. So he is prepared with his kshatriya dharma all the time. Doing tapas doesn't mean he wears some bark cloths and sits somewhere defenseless. Look at this. Okay. So remembering that there are shatrus like Duryodhana, that context has to be brought into the next aspect. Kavacham Drutavan. So he went all ready for a potential conflict also along the way. Beautiful. Continue, sir.
Akashe pushpa vrishtir bhavat.
Abhavat. Pushpa vrishtir abhavat. Yakshena saha gatavan. Yakshena saha gatavan. He went with the yaksha. In the sky, Akashe, pushpa vrishtihi, the bestowing of flowers. Abhavat, by the devas who are always ready with baskets of flowers to to signal good starts. That concept is there, na? Abhavat, it happened. Okay. So wonderful, Mahodaya. Thanks for reading. So let us attempt the few questions that are there. Let's see if you remember. Ke purvam pandavanam paurusham abhinandanti sma.
Devaha.
Devaha.
Purvam Pandavanam Paurusham
Abhinandanti sma. Correct. That's what Bhima is telling, right? Yeah. So, dushtaha kada sukham anubhavanti.
Dushtaha tatkale
Athva tatkalika sukham also you can see. Tatkale sukham also you can say. Okay, tatkalika sukham would be samastapada. Tatkale sukham would be separate. Kada is replaced by tatkale at a temporary time, like that. Dushtaha tatkale sukham anubhavanti. Kadacha vinashyanti.
Ante vinashyanti.
Ante cha vinashyanti. So the answer is over there. Dushtaha tatkale sukham anubhavanti ante vinashyanti. Samyak. Kasya agamanena kesham janma saphalam. Kesham janma
Yudhishthiraha janma.
Pandavanam janma. Asmakam you have to translate to Pandavanam. Okay. See, it was put in the paragraph in the mouth of Yudhishthira. You have to now generalize it into a third person statement. Okay. That technique you should know. So व्यासमुनेः आगमनेन पाण्डवानाम् अथवा युधिष्ठिरादीनाम् also you can say. Okay, but yeah, पाण्डवानाम् is easier. पाण्डवानां जन्म सफलम. When Yudhishthira says अस्माकं, he means Pandavas. So पाण्डवानां जन्म सफलम. व्यासमुनेः पाण्डवानां you substitute. Okay.
Sir,
हाँ.
sir, here the question is kasya agamanen. So instead of writing Vyas Munehi, so Vyas Munerasya agamanen can you write?
मुनेरस्य no. व्यास मुनि शब्द इकारांत शब्द. Okay. Munihi, Muni, Munayah, and that will become Munehe, Munayoho, Muninam, like that. Okay. Munehe is Shashti Ekavachana.
Okay, like Kavi?
Correct. Kavi declension. Kavihi, Kavi, Kavayaha, like that it goes, na? So it's not like Rama Shabda. So it won't be Munerasya or something like that. Munehe. Okay.
Munehe. Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
So the answer will start with Munehe, Munescha Agamanen.
No charing required. Vyasa Munehe Agamanena.
Munehe, okay.
Vyasa Munehe Agamanena. Pandavanam Janma Sapalam. So this Kasya and Kesham is replaced with Vyasa Munehe and Pandavanam.
Dhanyavad.
Kutra Kesham Vishesha Pritihi Bhavati.
Sadhu Janeshu Muninam.
Sadhu Janeshu Muninam. Very good. Sadhu Janeshu Muninam. Okay, I put Pandavanam. I made a mistake there. Let me correct. That is incorrect answer. That may be true, but here Sadhu Janeshu Muninam should be the answer. Let me turn on the Sanskrit keyboard. Actually, I should put Bindu only to replace the contextually correct one. Okay. Last question. Indraha kena aradhaniyaha. Tatah
Arjunena aradhaniya.
Tatah kim bhavati?
Parakramaha bhavati.
Parakrama praptihi. Parakrama praptihi. Phala praptihi. But you can say parakrama praptihi or just parakramaha also.
Sir, tapasa aradhaniya. Kena.
Very good, Bhagini. So we can actually put two Karanakarakas there. Yes. Indraha Arjunena Tapasa Aradhaniyaha would be wonderful answer. Okay, two types of Kena get answered by Arjuna through the act of tapas. Beautiful. Both are Tritiya Vibhakti in Sanskritam. Okay, beautiful. Thanks, Bhagini, for noticing that. Actually, straight away I'm going to add that to. I had not noticed that. To fit all this, I think we can read it. So let me leave it there. Okay. So Arjunena tapasa and then parakramaha bhavati. Tataha parakramaha bhavati. Okay. I like that answer. See, when I see answers like that, now I get so happy because somebody is thinking more deeper than normal shallow thinking that one can do with the language. Very nice. Okay, so that is a good section, good half an hour for us to revise all that. Thanks, Mahodaya, for reading for us and well done. So let us now continue to.
Sir, one more question in the last page.
That
Kutra Kesham. So Kesham.
Muninam.
Kutra is answered by Sadhu Janeshu, is it? And Kesham.
Correct. See, why Kutra? Good question to have. Why Kutra has been asked? Because the placement, see, you remember Rame Mama Pritihi Asti. We had seen Saptami Prayoga like that. Upon Rama, my love exists. So for us, no, when there is a bhava upon another, that person becomes Saptami. Just like we use in English upon. Upon is like Adhikarana Karaka, no? Saptami Vibhakti, locative. So the same locative sense of which has come into English is there in Sanskritam also. Okay. So Sadhu Janeshu, amidst the Sadhu Janas, amongst the Sadhu Janas, or upon the Sadhu Janas. Okay, like that. Okay.
And
that's
Munina
why Kutra.
Is Shashti.
Actually, it could have been Keshu. Okay. The question could have been Keshu Kesham Vishesha Priti Bhavati. You wouldn't have doubted it much. This Kutra is a little off-putting because Kutra is more physical location, but a bhava like Priti has a physical location as a person, and here a set of people like Sadhu Janeshu. Okay.
Correct. Dhanyavad.
Sir, one more question, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, one more question. In the third question, no, Vyasa Munehe Agamanena Pandavanam Janmaphalam Pandavanam or Yudhishthiraha Adi, that Shashti Vibhakti, how to say, Yudhishthirasya and Adi.
Yudhishtiradinam.
Okay, Yudhishtiradinam.
Uh-huh.
Then it will, okay, Adinam, okay.
Adinam. Okay.
Okay.
You see, already we saw such a prayoga somewhere, Adinam, like that. Where we saw something about Duryodhanadina.
Okay.
I'm trying to track that word where it comes. Duryodhanadina. Here. See here. Look at this. Look at this prayoga. That's where we learn. See, Duryodhanadin Adi Shabdasya. Okay. Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachana form. You see, Adin. Okay.
Adin.
So same way Adinam it will become for Pandavadinam. Okay. Adi Shabda declensions.
Okay. Yudhishtiradinam. Dhanyavad Mahoday.
No problem. Good, you are noticing all these subtle things. See, one thing to mug up the tables, etc. But the more important thing, even if you don't remember the forms so much, memory, yeah, we are all old, getting to have difficulties remembering. But the logic should never escape from your head. So everywhere, you should think, oh, I am looking at a vibhakti declension of the Adi word, Adin. So similarly, it can decline to other vibhaktis like that. It's also another word. And remember, it is here declining in the sense of Pullinga. And I don't know, for example, Draupadya, Dhyaha, something like that. So it will continue to decline like Strilinga when it is attached to a Strilinga head, perhaps. Okay, something to read the text and look at examples and learn from. Okay, everything you will not find some textbook explaining because there is an infinite number of things there. So you will have to go search for such words by doing some Google search and just check, or whenever you see, take the opportunity to register that knowledge. Oh, I'm looking at a Pullinga declension of Adi. I'm looking at a Strilinga declension of Adi, like that. Okay. Anvaya Rachana. So I think some Bhaginis are good at reading. Let me take. Okay, 1 minute. I have to lower somebody's hand here. So somebody who is able to recite well, if you want to put your hand up, you can read for us. Jayanti Sridhar, please read. Yeah.
Namaste, Mother. Yavadetam niriksheham yodhakaman avastitan kairmaya saha yodhavyam अस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे
पुनः एकवारं
यावदेतान् निरीक्षेऽहं योद्धुकामानवस्थितान् कैर्मया सह योद्धव्यम् अस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे.
Samyak. Dhanyavadah. So I think another Bhagini wanted to read. I will give you the next verse. Just hold on, Bhagini. Yavadetan nirikshe aham. So here there is a Purva Rupa due to the Ekara. Hrisva Akara can elide. So there is a, only in written form there is a Akara converted to Avagraha Chinha. Yodhukaman. Okay. Avastitan. There is a simple Samyukta of Halanta Nakara with the Akara of the Avastitan. Kaihi maya, kairmaya, visarga repha. Okay. Saha yodhavyam asmin. Again a simple samyoga. Halantamakara with akara. Rana samudyame. So very straightforward. One purva rupa, couple of visarga sandhis we saw. Okay. And others are largely samyogas, samyuktas. Okay. Good. Yavat etan. Okay, here there is actually a sandhi I didn't highlight. Yavat has become yavad due to jastva, and dakara has gone with ekara. Jastva has remained because there is a swarakshara. So yavadetan. So dakara is heard instead of takara due to jastva. There is no reversal of jastva. Okay, so jastva has remained. Yavat etan. Yavat means up until, as long as, that sense. Okay, as long as these people, okay, as karma pada, okay, nirikshe aham, okay, yodhu kaman avastitan. So if you see yodhu kaman avastitan, etan, all these are in dvitiya bahuvachana. Okay, so they all collect together. Etan avastitan yodhu kaman aham nirikshe. So as up until I as long as I see, okay, all these people who are so arranged, avastitan, so arranged. Okay, so obviously we know what is the context. Krishna is there between the two clans, arranged opposite to each other, the Pauravas and Kauravas, Kauravas and Pandavas. So in between Kauravas and Pandavas, the Pauravas are poor. Okay, okay. So Puruvamshiyaha Paurava. Okay, so then Kaihi maya saha yodhavyam asmin ranasamudyame. I am observing, watching, with whom, Kaihi, with whom, maya saha, by me. Kaihi saha maya yodhavyam. With whom, by me, should be war should be conducted in this arrangement of war. That means Rana Samudyame means in this arrangement of war, warring people. Okay, Rana is war, Samudyama is congregation type of thing. Okay, so Krishna is simply wondering here. Okay, I am looking at all these people who are interested in waging a war, all arranged. So I am watching who are, by with whom all I should conduct my war in this war ground. This is what. It's very simple, meaning nothing. There is no Mahan Bodha here. It's just contemplation of Krishna. After all, we are in Arjuna Vishada Yoga. So that's what is happening. So yavat etan nirikshe aham yodhukaman avastitan kaihi maya saha. See, actually kaihi saha maya yodhavyam. You should slightly rearrange that. Okay.
Yodhukaman is Yulsava.
A desire, kama is desire, no? Yodhu kamas are those with desire of war, desire of fighting.
No, sir, this there is a word Yuyulsava, no, in the first sloka of Gita.
Yuyutsuhu. That is yodhum ichukaha yuyutsuhu. Yeah. No, this one is not having that. It is simply yodhu kaman. Okay, those who are desirous of fighting. Yeah.
Okay.
Obviously, everybody who is come to the war is desirous of fighting only. They didn't come to just watch. Okay. Okay, so Jashto Sandhi has been highlighted by them. We discussed that. Purva Rupa Sandhi, we discussed that. Kair Maya Visarga Sandhi, we discussed that. Repaha. So Arjuna, who asked Sri Krishna, this is CC Tatparya, they go back a little and bring the context. We also did that a little bit. Arjuna, who asked Sri Krishna to stop the chariot between the two armies, now tells the reason for his request. Let me see those who have come here with a desire to fight. See, Yodhu Kaman, with a desire to fight. Okay. So like Mahodaya said, you can also construct it using the other method. So Yuyutsavaha, like that. So but Yuyutsavaha, whatever is the Dvitiya Bahuvachana form of that, I am thinking what it is. Maybe Yuyutsavaha only is Dvitiya Bahuvachana. But here Yodhu Kaman is in Dvitiya Bahuvachana as karma of his watching.
So that will also become Yuyutsavan only, no? Because it is aha.
You can't so easily conclude, Bhagini. We have to know the Pratipadika form and come.
Yeah, because it is Yuyutsu, correct. So
see, you only are telling. Yes, see, Guru.
I realized
Gurum Guru Gurun. So maybe Yuyutsu Gurun Un is there. So maybe Yuyutsun something like that may come. Okay. Yuyutsaka ka, when you add the akach pratyaya, it simplifies. So maybe it's like Rama, Yuyutsakan maybe. Okay. Yes, Bhagini.
No, I was just telling it. Yuyutsun.
Yuyutsun is one form, but Yuyutsukaha is there. Uka ka pratyaya has been added. Kap pratyaya, I think it is called. When you add the kap pratyaya, you simplify into an akaranta perhaps. Then it becomes Yuyutsukan.
Oh, okay.
I mean, many ways to cut the ice in Sanskritam. Hundreds of pratyayas are available. If you know how to use them, you can simplify your dependency on memory. If you can remember the pratyayas, you can simplify the declension tables. Okay, that's it is trading off. Okay, let me see those who have come here with a desire to fight and know who I have to combat in this battle. That's what Kaihi saha maya yodhavyam. That is this phrase. Okay, stop the chariot until I take a good look at all of them. This is all extra masala added by the Tatparya. It's not there. Nothing like that is there in the verse. This verse, he would have earlier only told, right? So that's what is said here. So now in this, is there another question? I heard another gentleman trying to say something. No. Okay. Let me mute everyone. Yeah. So they have done the table. They taught us in the previous thing how to use this in a slightly more simple way of tabulating. So they have done that. So Kriya Pada they have highlighted. Nirikshe Yodhavyam. So it's actually this one is under tab. This shouldn't have been. Second part is like actually I can subservient it to Nirikshe. Okay, Yodhavyam iti Nirikshe. So this is actually a subservient. Though they have put a hard line, for me this is a subservient. Tavyat anyway. Okay. So kaha aham for Nirikshe, maya for Yodhavyam. Of course, this is the karta part in a different vibhakti to suit the Yodhavyam. That's all. Okay. So then come, we have seen the triplet there with the Visheshanas. So Yodhukaman, Avastitan, Etan. So they put Etan as the primary and these two as the Visheshanas to that. That is, I think, a good choice. Yeah. Then Kena Saha. See here, they already put Kena Saha there to bring out the Tritiya Vibhakti forcing you with Saha Upapada. So Kaihi. So Saha has been brought in the head only. Okay. Then or you can put Kaihi Maya Saha. Actually, Saha will go with Maya Saha. Anyway, Kena Saha, that Maya Saha. Okay, Kaihi. And Kutra Asmin Rana Samudyame. So location. So Asmin Rana Samudyame. So that's brought in here. Okay. Yavat has been thrown in without any specific heading as one of those common phrase joiners that is used in Sanskritam. Okay, yavat, tavat, yahasaha, those kind of things. So yavat is thrown along. So yavat nirikshe. So it's in the sense.
Yodhavya Asmin, can you explain once again?
Which one, madam?
The second line.
Yodhavyam. Yodhavyam means tavyat added to yuddha. Okay, so should be fought.
Okay.
Should be fought. Yodhavyam.
Okay, yeah, I understood.
Kartavyam should be done. Gantavyam
Yeah,
should be gone. Yodhavyam should be fought. Okay.
So this nirikshe is upasarga to ikshe, no? So does it have any extra meaning?
I think it is increasing the depth of the ikshana kriya, I think. Okay. Nirikshe, and here under I observe like that. Okay. Under
that is why they said take a good look, is it?
I think in the sense of take a good look. Actually, it is also used in the sense of anticipation. If you remember niriksha like that. Okay. But here aham niriksha is in the sense of I will take a proper look. See here in the bracket until I get a complete view of all those present. That complete view is niriksha. But sometimes we use it in the sense of anticipation. Okay.
Observe, sir.
Observe. A complete view. Observe. Yeah. Okay. The indeclinable yavat along with tavat means as long as. There is no tavat thrown in this, but we have to kind of can assume the tavat somewhere. Okay. Here it is to be taken with the phrase ratham stapaya, found in the previous shloka. Okay, it means yavat nirikshe tavat stapaya. Beautifully they have extended it. See, as long as I observe that, till then you establish the ratha there. Don't move away. That sense. That is the sense of that yavat. Stop the chariot in between the torment until you get a complete view of those present. Therefore, the word yavat is not included in the Anvaya Rachana of the present shloka, because it kind of links up to the thing, but you can link up the way they have explained by putting a lot of bracketed words if you wish. Okay.
Sir,
Anyway.
Therefore the word tavat is not included. Should it be?
No, you can put it in brackets and include it. Yavat nirikshe tavat stapaya, like that.
Yeah, so yavat is there, but tavat is not there, right?
In fact, tavat stapaya both are not there. If you borrow forward, borrow back from previous verse, tapaya can be brought in, and tavat can be in brackets. Okay.
Rana Samudyam is battlefield, is it?
Samudyama means the arrangement or the gathering of in the war field. Yeah.
But then why is it okay? Is it Savant Vibhakti? That's why it is.
Because it's a location. Na? I mean,
okay.
You can
amongst
the people who are so arranged for war. Okay. Like, I mean, he is looking at people amongst the people, other people, whole people set. So that's why they are location of his particular observation. Yeah. See, battle. So they have translated that to battle here. Samudyama to battle.
So Udyama has something to do with undertaking or something like that also.
Correct. Samudyama is like in that sense the war, those who are gathered with intent of war, something like that. Yeah.
So then in the earlier verse, Dhanur Udyamya Pandava, then how to understand that Udyamya there?
Udyamya, having engaged or placed it in action.
Okay.
Like that. Okay, that means he has not yet relinquished his dhanus, right? So he took it in a semi-active way. He didn't relinquish and go in the middle. If he does that, he will signal the wrong thing to the armies. So he has kept his dhanush in readiness and then goes to the middle of the two armies. Okay.
Correct.
Later on, due to his shoka, he will relinquish the dhanus. That happens a little later.
Right.
Everything is very symbolic.
Right. Understood.
So let us look at the Anvaya Vakya. Nirikshe, Kaha Nirikshe, Aham Nirikshe. See, Kaha, Aham. So the generic to specific. Kan Nirikshe, Etan Nirikshe. Kidrishan Etan, Avastitan Etan, Punah Kidrishan, Yoddukaman. Okay. So kam kaukan and then Kidrishan, Punah Kidrishan. So first Etan has been brought out as the primary Dvitiya Vibhakti Bahuvachana word, and then its Visheshanas. Kim iti nirikshe. Oh, this is a special technique they have used. Kaihi saha yodavyam iti nirikshe. See, this is like a quoted phrase if you see. Kaihi saha maya yodavyam iti nirikshe. So this has become like a quoted pronunciation of Arjuna. So they have beautifully brought it out. Kim iti nirikshe, kaihi saha yodavyam iti nirikshe. You can break that down hierarchically again, but they have just gone with one stuff. Kena yodavyam, maya yodavyam, kutra yodavyam, ranasamudyame yodavyam, kidrishe ranasamudyame, asmin ranasamudyame, in this battle, in this gathering for war. Okay.
If you here they have not used yavat, but in case if you want to do means you have to ask kada sir question.
Kada nirikshe, yavat nirikshe, tavat stapaya. You can include it in some way. Yeah. Okay. So second verse. Any new somebody else had put the voice
But
up.
Can we ask a question which is not mentioned here?
Yes, Bhagini. Don't get scared to ask questions. Okay, please ask.
No, that's what I'm asking. See, the tavat word is not given here.
No.
In spite of that, in the Anvaya Rachana, can we ask that question?
You can bring in the thing like the Bhagini told, kada nirikshe, yavat nirikshe, and leave it there if you wish. Okay. But you can bring it in kada nirikshe, yavat paryantam paryantam nirikshe, tavat paryantam stapaya iti. That's what they have put. Yavat nirikshe, tavat stapaya, like that as a whole phrase. Moment you try to bring in yavat, if you leave it hanging, then you have to bring tavat to complete it. That's what they are telling.
Okay. In that
If
case, we
you-
have to ask both the questions.
No, if you want to extend the Anvaya Rachana, then you have to start moving back to the previous verse, which is not quoted already in this context. That's why. Okay. Technically, we should have kept the previous verse in the view and made a larger sentence, perhaps. Okay.
But we can also omit it, isn't it?
You can omit it. That's what they're telling.
Okay.
But you can mention yavat goes with a tavat, and it is in the context of yavat nirikshe, tavat stapaya in this verse. But that stapaya and all are not part of this verse, so we have avoided expanding that like that.
Okay.
Actually, this yavat could have been tataha also. So if it was tataha, then you can simply ask kada tataha afterwards, like that.
Sir, shall I read the next one?
Please, Mahodaya. Or some Bhagini had already volunteered.
Oh.
So.
No, sir.
Huh.
I have a doubt. Here, do we have to write that Vakya Visleshanam style in that box way, or should we have to write the in the question format that was given in the Anvaya Rachana way? Kaha nirikshe, kaan nirikshe iti.
This is Anvaya Rachana is very essential at this level. Okay. Instead of table, you can just list it as Kriyapada, Pratama Vibhakti set like we used to do earlier also. See, what they have done here is we used to earlier do it as which are the Kriyapadas, which are the karma positions for that, which are the karta for that, like that one by one, right? Right. So that they have simplified instead of so much of sentences. They have simplified it into tabular form, and that feeds into the Anvaya Rachana. Looking at that, the Anvaya Rachana is like a cakewalk, kata kata kata, like that.
Yes. So do we have to write in that box style or in the question format?
It will be nice. If it is a 6 marks question or a 4 marks plus question, you want to show this and this.
Okay.
Yeah, and one Tatparya Vakya in English, of course. Huh?
Okay.
All this is not needed. This and all, and also that's why I also try to use your own thing. Don't worry about what you call, just because you have access to the book. Don't try to copy. Just use your thing. When you get doubt, you refer to the book. I am not saying don't, but try to construct the answers on your own. Okay. We can easily make out when we invigilate the papers, this has been just transferred from the textbook. So try to avoid transferring from the textbook. Use your even if you have 1 or 2 faults there, doesn't matter. Self effort is what finally we are trying to learn, guys. That's all. Marks are hardly important.
Okay. Yeah, generally what I do is when I do the Padavibhaga, I point out as okay, this is in Pradhama Bhakti Bahuvachanam, like that. I just put that, and then slowly I construct the questions.
Correct. Good.
Anvaya also you can add, no sir. After Padivibhaga, you can add Anvayartha and then write the questions. That also, that way
you can add an Anvaya Vakya if you wish to, but you can see there is no particular force on you to write the Anvaya Vakya. Anvaya Rachana, this at the end, this constructs the Anvaya Vakya. Asmin Ranasamudyame Maya Kaihi Saha Yodavyam iti Yoddu Kaman Avasthitan Etan Aham Nirikshe. So if you literally read this answer words backwards, you get your sentence. You see that? See, Asmin Ranasamudyame Maya Kaihi Saha Yodavyam iti Yoddu Kaman Avasthitan Etan Aham Nirikshe. Finished.
I hadn't noticed like that.
No. Earlier also we had read couple of times. Pretty much the reverse reading of the Anvaya Vakya word answers will bring out one standard Anvaya Vakya.
And this Kim Iti Nirikshe, is it because there is more than one word, so we say Iti? Otherwise, only kim nirikshe, no? Kai saha yodavyam, because it is more than one word, so we have to say iti.
What they have? Yeah, good. See, basically this entire quote, the mouthing of Arjuna's Vakya to Krishna, obviously, who's listening to him, okay, has been, the whole quoted sentence has been brought out as one set with this kim miti nirikshe.
Correct.
So,
Otherwise, it would have been only kim nirikshe. If it
see,
was
why am I observing like that? Okay, kim iti aham nirikshe, kaihi saha yodavyam iti aham nirikshe. That is the sense there. Okay.
This is the object of nirikshe, karma of nirikshe.
Correct. The purpose of nirikshe. You can say.
Okay.
You can say correct. In the end, it's like the whole. It's like a collective sentence, which is a karma for that nirikshana. Correct. Yes. But it is a quote. Kaihi saha yodavyam maya. That is a quote. Okay. Iti puts it as an object of the nirikshana.
Okay.
So, who wanted to volunteer to?
Iti is not mentioned here.
No. Iti is because you can see the sense of kairmaya saha yodavyam asmin rana samudyame. That is the bhava of the word.
So it is understood.
Yeah. You can say it's an adhyaharana. So somebody had told, but anyway, whoever wishes to come forward to read this, who knows to put it in. Vadatu Bhagini.
Yotsyamanaveeksheham ya etetra samagataha dhartarashtrasya durbuddhehe yuddhe priyachikirshavaha.
Punah.
Yotsyamanaveeksheham ya etetra samagataha dhartarashtrasya durbuddhehe yuddhe priyachikirshavaha.
Nice. Okay. So, thanks Bhagini. Yotsyamanaan avekshe aham purva rupa. So, yotsyamanaan avekshe, there is a samyoga, that's all. Okay. Nakaranta. So, akara becomes a na. Navekshe. Okay. Aham purva rupa. Yaha probably. Oh, no. This is even more complex. See, this is lopa. Yayete. If you did yanta vanta, it would have been yayete, yalopa. So yaete. Okay. Otherwise, there would have been a yakara here with an ekara like that. Okay. So ayadi sandhi yalopa. Okay. So yeete is the translation. This one is not easy. Many times we just think yaha or something like that. But it is yalopa. That's what yantadesha yalopa. Yete. So what yalopa? They have not shown the yantadesha version. Yete. If I think I should do that here. It will be useful. Let me spend a second to. Actually, not that. Okay.
Which sandhi is this?
Yalopa sandhi. Yantadesha followed by yalopa.
But here it is like the Bahuvachanana, sir. No, yaha yau ye.
That is a Sandhi is not bothered about the Vibhakti, Vachana and all that. It is just a Varna Kriya.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't, that is true. I mean, there is nothing. Yes, I agree. I think it will be useful to keep there as a reference for us. So what is happening? Oh. Okay. So ye plus ete, yayete, yayete, yeah. A becomes ay. Okay. Maybe I should show that. So the whole yantavanta, if you see ye ete y plus I, not halanta y. What is happening? Okay, I am not using edit mode. Yeah, that is the correct one. Sorry for taking all your time for that, but this is important. A plus ete, y plus I plus ete. So ekara is switched with I, yanta desha. Then yayete it will become. Then we can apply the yalopa and make it. That means yakara, the middle yakara will disappear. So for first yakara remains, okay, and this will simply collapse back to ete. Yayete. Okay, you can almost, when you pronounce this, hear the yakara of yanta desha. So it is a little bit tricky. That's all. But it's, I almost look at this as something to help. Actually, it doesn't help. It doesn't help Guru Lagu Prakriya at all. Yayete and yaete almost have the identical Guru Lagu Prakriya there. Nothing. So it is not even to help the meter. It is just because they do that, Sandhi. Yes, Bhagini.
It sounds also like that Visarga Lopa, right? Yaha ete, but it will not actually gel with the meaning. Ye ete only will.
No, it's not just that. We have to check whether yaha ete is qualifying for Visarga Lopa. Also, we have to check.
Yes.
So means those who, no sir, those who.
Ye ete, those who, yeah. So hum, that type of type. Saha aham. So same way, who, these, like that. Those who sense of English. Those means these, actually the sense of these who has been used here. Yeah. Okay, let's get back to the simple process that we need to do.
But can you just repeat this?
Repeat what, Bhagini?
This sandhi again, once again, this yantavanta. Where does
Bhagini, if you remember, A plus ete, ekara and ekara. So this falls in the bottom half of our Swarasandhi tabulation. I don't know whether you followed my lessons for Parichaya. So there we had made a table of akara, ikara, ukara as a column title and as a row title. Okay, so the row title is the left half last letter and the column title was right half first letter. Okay, so this one is A plus A, so it is in the bottom half of the table. So if you remember, largely the bottom half of the table was Ayadi Sandhi or Yantavanta Desha Sandhi. Okay, so this qualifies for Ayadi. So Ekara is a Ay Sandhi, not a Vanta Desha, Yanta Desha. So Ekara generates Ay. Okay, Okara generates OE, like that. Okay, that we will not worry about the subtle variations. So I is generated in the place of A. Okay, so I have stripped the yakara of the swara, shown it as a halant, and replaced the ekara with I according to Ayadesha, and then placed the posterior part as is, and then shown the combination of that as yayete. Then this yanta desha, when there is a hrisva akara like this yaya, this hrisva akara of the yakara, okay, permits a actually yalopa valopa is optionally there for whole yantavanta. That what I'm saying is purva rupa. Sorry, forget. So yalopa valopa option is available. So the Kavi has chosen to do yalopa in the sense of ya ete. So he transformed the yanta desha to disappearance of the ekara. So ekara was transferred to ayu, then yakara declined, so akara remained, so ya got generated and a disappeared. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so yotsyamanam. So those who are warring, who are about to war. That's an mana. So this is a shanach pratyaya. Yotsyamanam. Those who are in the status of engaging in a war. Avekshe, I will observe. See this nirikshe, avekshe, subtle variant. Aham, I, ye, who, all.
Aveksha is also observed.
So ye, who, all, ete, these. Okay, atra, here, samagataha, who are actually collected, arrived together. Dhartra Rashtrasya, of Dhritarashtra's clan. Okay, see Dhritarashtrasya na, again you have to be very careful here. Dhritarashtrasya means of Dhritarashtra. Dhartarashtrasya means of the clan of Dhritarashtra. That additional clan sense comes with the Dhartarashtra. Okay, for example, Duryodhana is also Dhartarashtraha. Okay, but here in the collective sense of Kauravas. Okay, so Dhartarashtrasya is Kauravanam, almost Bahuvachana form. But here, because it's in singular, it is particularly talking about Duryodhana. Okay, Dhartarashtrasya of Duryodhana, Durbuddhehe of the one with wicked mind. So this is a qualifier to Duryodhana. Okay, Yuddhe, in the war, Priyachikirshavah, those who are desirous of, lovingly desirous of war. That kind of, okay, but here Priyachikirshavah simply means with the desirous with love, that kind of sense of action, of course of yuddha. So they have avekshe aham, so purva rupa, we saw that. Ye ete, we have done to no end already. Ete atra, another purva rupa. Okay, good. And then Durbuddhehe yuddhe, Durbuddher yuddhe, repa, visarga sandhi repa. Okay, so I shall see, aham avekshe. Okay, all those, ye yete, all these, all those. Oh, thanks. Who have come here to fight? Priyachikirshavah atra samagataha. So that is who have come here to fight. Yotsu kaman, I mean those with a desire to fight, also includes there little bit as not giving any specific additional thing beyond what is already understood there. To help vicious Duryodhana. Okay, see that's where Dhartarashtrasya Durbuddhehe Dhartarashtrasya krite has been kind of understood for him. So of him in the sense of, okay. So to help the vicious Duryodhana, vicious is the Durbuddhi, son of Dhritarashtra, Dhartarashtrasya. Duryodhana is Adhyaharana of these two, basically. Okay. So Tatparya has been kept very simple here. I like it. You can extend it, but I think it conveys everything in a compact way. So they have done the Vakya Vishleshana. Avekshe atra santi, they have assumed santi for the active. Aham avekshe atra santi. Actually you can put again iti, atra samagataha, samagataha ke iti like that, but instead of samagataha santi, iti avekshe aham. Also again you have to take the iti sense here in the end, because the one active kriya pada is really avekshe there. So anyway, they have split it with the santi there. Avekshe aham yotsyamanaan. So those who are in the act of fighting. Okay, ye ete samagataha te priyachikirshavah durbuddhehe dhartarashtrasya priyachikirshavah. See how they have linked durbuddhehe dhartarashtrasya, that means of Duryodhana priyachikirshavah. So they are the chikirshavah of what? The doing what is desirable or love of Duryodhana. So they are here to enact that which is dear to Duryodhana, which is the war against Pandavas. Okay, Dhartarashtrasya priyachikirshavah. Beautiful stacking there. Okay, yes, Mahodaya.
Here they put come in that table, come Yotsyamanaan, When it comes to Anvay Rachana, it comes Kan Apeksha.
Kan. Yeah.
Kam,
See, they have given singular there. You can put Kan also. Kam kau Kan. So you can put Kan. No problem. Okay.
Astu Mode.
See, earlier also, na, they have generally stuck to some Ekavachana there. Okay. But you see here, Kena Saha, Kaihi, Bahuvachana answer. So here also, Kam, Yotsu Kaman. So Kan also could have been there also. Okay.
Kirshavaha also, no?
Bagini?
Plural. Kirshavaha is plural, no?
Chikirshavaha, not Kirshavaha. Chikirshavaha.
Chikirshavaha.
Priya plus Chikirshavaha.
Chi is upasarga.
No. Chikirshat. See, if you remember, there is a technique to transform one dhatu into another higher purpose dhatu. Okay. So there is a process for that. Okay. Sanadi pratyaya it is called. Okay. So this Sanadi pratyaya technique allows you to take the kru dhatu and convert it to chikirshati. See, karoti does. Okay. Karoti means does. Chikirshati means desires to do. Okay. That chikirshati coming from that Sanadi transformation of kru dhatu. Okay.
Okay. Dhanyawad.
That is from Krut Pratyaya to Ting Pratyaya. Is it right, sir?
No. From dhatu like to new dhatu, from dhatu, kru dhatu to a new dhatu called chikirsha. Okay.
Okay.
And then that with a krudanta, chikirsha. This is not a kriya pada. This is actually again a krudanta in the end. Those who are desired to do. Starting from the kru dhatu, growing into chikirsha dhatu using a sanadi technique, then going through chikirshavah plural. What is the pratipadika form I'm thinking? I am Chikirshuhu, but Guravaha. Correct, Bagini. Guruhu, Guravaha. Chikirshuhu. Very good. Thank you. So Chikirshuhu is the Pratama. So Guruhu, Guravaha. Chikirshuhu, Chikirshavaha. That is the application to a person of that nature. Okay. So who are the persons of that nature? All the Kauravas who are assembled there. Whose Priya? Duryodhanasya Priya Chikirsavaha. दुर्योधनस्य प्रियकार्यं कर्तुम् इच्छुकाः इति सामान्य संस्कृते दुर्योधनस्य प्रियकार्यं कर्तुम् इच्छुकाः in a compact way Sanskritam has the technique to collapse that to as simple as priyachikirshavaha. Okay, you'll see the power of the language when you see words like this. Of course we struggle to do vishleshana of that, but that's okay. Even at our primary level what we can understand, let us do, no problem.
So here in Padivibhaga, you are splitting everything. Still in the exam, you should show the Sandhi also. Sandhi, what is affected?
They may, if they ask Anvaya Rachana in a very generic way, do show the Sandhi that you can. Okay, even if you miss one or two, no problem. No point in skipping a step. But if it is for a 2 marks asking only Tatparya, don't do Sandhi. Okay.
Okay.
See, look at the marks. If it is 4, 5 marks, then you put the effort everywhere. Okay.
Okay.
If it is 2 marks, just focus on what is in the question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That's how I go about. I generally think like this. If it is a 1 mark question, the answer will be 1 or 2 sentences. If it is a 2 mark question, answer will be 2 or 3 sentences. If it is a 4 mark question, it will be half a page or more. Okay, that's how I think. Okay.
Okay.
But somebody will take a 1 mark question and do 4 pages also. I have seen such answer papers. It's really boring. I mean, actually we should start giving negative marks because you're not reading the question. We feel. Okay, I think we have well past the time of break. So let's take a quick break and continue. Today, I think we are do microanalysis, but I think it is good. It's all in the purpose of learning. So take a break now and let's gather back in 4 minutes. 12:19. So 12:23 we will gather back and try to conclude this verse at least and bit more. Thank you. Take a break. Okay, before I restart, I would like to, I think there may have been some confusion and the beginning in between said that is a taddita somewhere, etc. Sanadi. So I want to show the distinction between what is sanadi and what is taddita, because we know so little about them, except we have forcefully seen applications of those and we are forced to discuss those. But sanadi is dhatu to dhatu. Okay. And taddita is noun to pratipadika. Okay. You can look at it as pratipadika to pratipadika. So taddita is a noun transformer. Sanadi is a dhatu transformer. That much you remember. That will help you. Okay. Maybe while we wait. So just to clarify, if you remember, we had discussed this in the first day of our gathering only on the afternoon session. See, dhatu with sanadi generates a new dhatu. So kru generates chikirsha, exactly what we saw today. Okay, and subanta padam through taddita generates a new pratipadika. Of course, you can do sanadi even from subanta also, like vasudeviya. Let's see in such things, but anyway, we are not gone that far using such such words now. So this we have seen just now. We see Dharta Rashtra. So the verses we have seen today has this Dharta Rashtra is from Taddita and Chikirsha is from Sanadi. Okay, San etc. And Taddita is again there is a whole host of them, but yeah. Okay, so are you hearing me?
Mahodaya. Yeah.
Okay, thanks. Sorry, I suddenly was wondering. So, Anvaya Rachana, Avekshe, Kriyapadam, Kaha Avekshe, Aham Avekshe. So, generic question. Actually, Avekshe is already in Uttama Purusha. We have discussed this before. Is a sentence like Kaha Avekshe Ata. But it's okay. Just stay like that. Don't worry. They are doing it, so we will just use that thing. Aham Avekshe, Kan Avekshe, Yotsyamanaan Avekshe. And then they have taken the whole thing, that iti version, into a santi set. Okay, santi ke santi ete santi kidrishaha ete samagataha kutra samagataha atra. Earlier it was rana sangamang samudyame. Here it is just atra. Punah kidrishaha priya chikirshavah kasya priya chikirshavah dharta rashtrasya priya. So the shashti possession of that priya. So they through that, because they are carrying out the purpose of Duryodhana, they become possessors of Dhartarashtrasya. Okay, Kidrishasya Dhartarashtrasya Durbuddhehe, that has been added here. Kutra Priya Chikirshavah, Yuddhe Priya Chikirshavah. So this is a location for their act. So Yuddhe. Okay, nice actually. So if you want to string the Anvaya Vakya, Yuddhe Durbuddhehe Dhartarashtrasya Priyachikirshavaha Atra Samagataha Ete Ke Iti Aham Yotsyamanaan Avekshe. Actually,
alternative-
Santi is slightly better also. You can say Yuddhe Durbuddhehe Dhartarashtrasya Priyachikirshavaha Atra Samagataha Ete Santi Etan Yotsyamanaan Aham Avekshe. That way the double connection can be brought in. They have chosen this Santi break off and then Etan Aham Avekshe. Yo Etan Yotsyamanaan Aham Avekshe, like that. Yes, Bhagini.
Instead of the Santi, if we just say Kidrishaha Yotsyamanam, then we can say Samagataha Yotsyamanam.
See,
And then-
Kidrishaha is Pratama Vibhakti.
Yes.
So you have to see Yotsyamanaan is a karma pada of the Avekshana Kriya. That's why they have broken off with a Santi into a separate sentence and just gone with karma for this. All these are not stacked up as karma for that.
Okay. Because Samagata is Pratham.
And because there is a karma pada Yotsyamanaan, if it was absent, Ete Santi iti aham avekshe, it would have completed. Ete Santi iti Yotsyamanaan again cannot be brought. Iti becomes the collective karma like we discussed for Avekshana. But there is already Yotsyamanaan as a karma pada, so it will become complicated. So they chose to break it off. Say they completed this with a Santi as a fact. And then Yotsyamanaan etan aham avekshe. Etan I am adding. Okay? Avekshe. Like that.
Okay.
I think it's well done. If I try to string it up, then I will fight with this karma pada and this collective vakya karma. Okay? Yeah. Okay. So there are so many Bhaginis who read so well. Anybody else wants to match? I don't know which lady who read so beautifully the previous verse. Sorry, I couldn't see the
Sir,
name.
can I read?
I can read.
Rajashri Bhagini. Yeah, please read.
Okay.
Arre? What happened? Rajashri Bhagini?
Yeah.
Please read Bhagini.
Evamukto Hrishikesho Gudakeshen Bharata Senayor Ubayor Madhye Stapayitva Ratottamam Vacha Partha Pasyaitan Samavetan Kuru Niti.
Samyak. Punah ekavaram patatu.
Shall I read that?
Okay, Bhagini. Just there are so many people competing with you, so let's give some chance. Okay. Whoever said, "Shall I read?" Please read it the second time. Yes.
Sir, me. I said.
Eva mukto Hrishikesho Gudakeshena Bharata.
Gudakeshena.
Eva mukto Hrishikesho Gudakeshena Bharata. Gudakeshena Bharata. Senayoryubhayor madhye Stapayitva Rathottamam Uvacha Partha Pasyaitan Samavetan Kuruniti.
Samyak Bhagini. Samyak patitam. Dhanyavadaha. So, eva muktaha, eva mukto. Okay, so that is a visarga utva, which is eventually due to guna sandhi becomes okara. So a plus o like that. So eva mukto, eva muktaha, evam uktaha. There is a samyoga there. Evam uktaha. Like this, the one who told. Uktaha is a kta pratyayanta. So one who told. Okay. So vad dhatu. Hrishikeshaha, the Krishna. Okay, so who was the one who was told? Hrishikesha was the one who was told. Okay, by Gudakesha, which is our Arjuna. So the Krishna who was told so by Arjuna, Hey Bharata. So who is Hey Bharata here? They have again skipped. Probably Sanjayo Vacha would have been there. Okay. Bharata here means
yes, sir. There is actual shloka. Actual shloka. There is Sanjay Uvacha before Eva Mukto. That's why
we can almost guess because by the sentence structure only we can guess it. Okay.
Yeah,
so,
and also before the third line, there is a line in between which they have not kept here.
No, here what they have done, no, for Anvaya, For Anvaya, they have borrowed forward one sentence, one pair of padas from the next verse. Okay.
Yeah,
To complete the
actually 24, this is actual shloka 24. 25th, they have only given the second line in our book. In between, there's one line.
Right. That will come next in the next chapter. Okay. It will continue.
No, it's not there. Like they have said, no, they have skipped many this thing. So
maybe
that
it has
line is
been
not
skipped.
there.
Maybe have been
Yeah,
skipped.
it's actually Sanjay Uvacha Eva Mukto Rishikesho Gudakeshena Bharata Senayorubhayor Madhye Sthapayitva Rathottamam. Then Bhishma Drona Pramukhatah Sarvesham Cha Mahikshitam Uvacha Partha Pashyetan Samavetan Kuruniti. That is the actual one.
For some reason, they have left that in between.
Yeah,
verses.
they have said just to get the main ones and just to fit in our syllabus.
Sentence stuff. Thanks, Bhagini. So this is an interesting thing. Normally, what we see is one first line of the next verse will have been borrowed, but here they have kind of skipped the first line and they have taken the second line of the next verse to bring the collective meaning. It's okay. We will take that because order of words are the way it is, and if we go back and look at more complete first chapter analysis, books are available from Samskrita Bharati of entire Bhagavad Gita in 2 books. Okay, in a pair of books, entire Bhagavad Gita has been completely analyzed word by word. Okay, very detailed for the first 4 chapters and in a very compact way for the remaining part, like that. Okay, the first book is first 4 chapters more or less, something like that. Okay.
I have got it. I just when I was in Bangalore.
That is the best book for learners to keep in their library because it's Bhagavad Gita as well as complete analysis of every word almost. Okay, so
the book is called Gita Pravesha, no?
Gita Pravesha. Actually, there is a course, of course, guys. Okay, so apart from this postal course, there is also Gita Pravesha classes that are held.
Sopanam, no?
Gita Sopanam, which is another tier of classes that are held. It comes in 4 sopanas. Okay, but the first sopanas are like teaching some basics which are already learnt by us at Parichaya, Pravesha, all those levels. So Gita Sopana you can enter from maybe the 3rd stage or something, or you can, if you have some offering nearby of somebody conducting Gita Sopanam, it's okay to take from the first stage also, nothing wrong. You will rehear many things that we already know, but in a different style. So that is nice. So that way also you can climb, and that is not a postal course. There are 2 books and some groups of Samskrita Bharati volunteers from various regions conduct it live in the olden times, and in these COVID times they conduct it online also. Online is not the greatest medium. Online is good for these postal courses. Anyway, evam ukto Hrishikesha. So evam uktah Hrishikesha Gudakeshena he Bharata, that is separated out with Sanjaya. Senayoho ubayoho madhye, amidst the 2 warring clans. Sthapayitva ratham uttamam. Okay, actually ratha uttamam, it's the samastapada. Ratham uttamam is not the split. Okay, maybe that is the samastapadas vigraha vakya, but rathottamam, okay, is probably referring to the superior chariot that they have. Uvacha Partha Pashyetan
Ratha Shreshtham Sthapayitva, no?
Bhagini?
Sorry, sir. No, it's Ratha Shreshtham Sthapayitva. Sorry, by mistake.
That's what. Rathottamam, Ratha Shreshtham. Correct.
Ratheshu Uttamam Teshu, Ratheshu Uttamaha Saptami Tatpurusha, right?
No, Rathottamam is a karma pada. What is Saptami?
Rathottam, Praditya Vibhakti. No, you said Samasana, that's why.
Ratheshu
Uttamam Teshu.
Ratheshu Uttamam Rathottamam. Correct.
Uttamam Teshu, Ratheshu Uttamaha Saptami Tatpurusha, I think.
Ratheshu Uttamaha.
And somewhere have written Ratham Cha Tam Uttamam Cha. Also that
also can be told. Yeah, it is a Ratha and it is superior. Yes, both are correct. Correct breakdowns of different ways. both give no
Okay, thank you.
contradictory meaning. If they don't give contradictory meaning, you can take different types of vigrahas. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Saptami Tatpurusha, you're saying. Okay, good. Now I understand where Saptami came in. I was confused. What is the context? Okay. So let us look at the words first in Sandhi viewpoint. Uvacha Partha, Hey Partha, obviously. Okay. Pashya etan, Pashyaitan. So Pashya plus etan, a plus ai. What is that? Vriddhi. Okay. So Vriddhi Sandhi has taken place. Pashyaitan, Samavetan, one word. Kurun iti, Kuruniti. So Samyukta Akshara. Halanta Nakara with Ikara. Okay. So the Sandhis are Uktaha, we saw that. Utva, Rishikeshaha again Utva, and two Sandhis. Both are Visarga Sandhi Ukaraha. Plus Gunaha. See, they have listed the Guna because U becomes O due to Guna. Okay. So in both cases, both here and there. So two instances of the same thing. Then Senayoho Ubayoho Madhye, Senayor Ubayor Madhye. Two Repa Sandhis. Sorry, Visarga Sandhis with Repa replacement, not Repa Sandhi. Visarga Sandhi with Repaha. Okay. Then remember, we don't say Rakara, we say Repa. So then Pashya Etan Vriddhi Sandhi. We saw that. Good. So let's take the Tatparya. O King, on being told thus by Arjuna, Kudakeshaha, Sri Krishna Hrishikesha took the best of chariots between the two armies and said, O Partha, that is Hey Partha, that one. See these Kurus gathered here. So here what is happening? Quote within quote. Of course, everything starts with Janamejaya in the original Bharata. But anyway, so here the quote is Sanjaya is Hey Bharata. Then Hey Partha is our Arjuna to Krishna. Okay. So what Sanjaya is telling Dhritarashtra, so Arjuna told so to Hrishikesha. Okay. Or Hrishikesha was so told by Arjuna. Actually, that is the correct translation. See, Hrishikesha or Krishna is in Pratama. Krishna, who was so told, again in Pratama as a Visheshana to Hrishikesha, Kta, Gudakeshana, by Gudakesha, Hey Bharata. What was told? Hey Partha, etan samavetan kurun pashya iti. So he is adding a little bit more color. Already lot of lament of Arjuna to Krishna has happened. Okay, Ratam Stapaya, Avekshaya, all those things we studied. Now Sanjaya is highlighting it a little bit for Dhritarashtra in case he was also confused like many of us what is happening. So he is telling again a little bit. Okay. So in between he prefixes this with the time aspect of when. Senayoho ubayoho madhye ratotamam stapayitva. Like this he told in the context of this. Okay. So this is the location and the time sense. So, O King, being told this by Arjuna, Shri Krishna took the best of the chariots between the two armies and said, O Partha, see the Kurus gathered here. Okay, so this is Krishna's word. Oh, the way I read is Gudakeshena Uktaha Krishikeshaha. Oh, this Uktaha is about all the previous Uktis of Arjuna to Hrishikesha. So here Hey Partha clearly comes to pointing out to Arjuna by Krishna. Okay. Hrishikeshaha Uvacha. So that is the primary. Karta is Hrishikesha. Hrishikeshaha Partham Uvacha. Hey Partha etan Pashya iti. Astu. Samyak. For continuity in the meaning, the first half of the next verse is included here. But they say first half, but Bhagini pointed out it is the second half. Okay. Thus you have 1.5 shloka here. Vacha and Pashya are two main verbs in the shloka. Hence there are two sentences. Okay. Sanjaya addressed Dhritarashtra as Bharata. Sri Krishna addresses Arjuna as Partha. We got that. Okay. So one is Uktaha. Where is Uvacha? Pashya. Okay, this Shrishikeshaha Uvacha, and within the quote is Partha Pashya. Okay, within the quote is that. Okay, all right. So Uktaha, evam uktaha as a ktanta kridanta to Krishna actually. So Gudakeshena evam uktaha Hrishikeshaha. So karma in the karmani mode is for the first launching phase, Hrishikesha is a karma pada. Then he takes over as the karta for the second part, uvacha part. Okay, we have seen that karma pada for the first part becomes a karta for the second part. Okay, evam uktaha Krishnaha iti uvacha. Like that.
Sir, what is the meaning? The best of the chariots between the two armies and said, what does it mean?
See, Sri Krishna, that is Hrishikeshaha, Senayoho Ubayoho Madhye Ratottamam Stapayitva Gudakesh Uvacha He Partha Etan Samavetan Kurun Pashya Iti Uvacha. Okay, that's how. Kidrishaha Krishnaha Gudakeshena Eva Muktaha Krishnaha. Okay, by Arjuna, one who was so told that Krishna, after listening to whatever Arjuna had to say, Krishna responded. That is the Tatparya in the end. Okay, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So what has been brought in is in Eva Mukta Hrishikeshaha, all the previous quotes of Arjuna is brought into attention by saying Krishna, who was so told by Arjuna, he told, hey Partha, look at this. Where, at what time? At the time of after establishing the Rathottama between the two armies. Like that. Okay.
Sir, that because Krishna's chariot is something special, that is the word for took the best of the chariots, sir.
Correct. No disagreement. No disagreement. Yes. It is Arjuna's chariot, but no disagreement.
Arjuna's chariot.
Krishna is just the driver.
Yes, correct. No, but in the previous slokam it comes, no, sir, with a white horse and all decorated and all that.
Yeah, the chariot is Uttama, not so much so because it is Arjuna's chariot, because it is Krishna who is the driver. No disagreement. No disagreement.
Yeah, correct, sir.
Sir, what does Bharata actually mean, sir?
Hey Bharata, it is a Sambodhana Pratama. Bharata means it can be used to address any king of Kuru Vamsha at that time. So you can use Hey Bharata to address Dhritarashtra, which is what is the context here. So Hey Bharata is the address of Sanjaya to Dhritarashtra.
Okay, thank you.
So first we have to say Hey in bracket and then say Bharata with apostrophe and then go about the rest. And before that we have to say Sanjaya Uvacha hyphen. Okay. I don't know whether they have done that. We can do it if they haven't done. Okay. All right. So
in this first sentence, Eva Muktaha Rishikeshaha Gudakeshena, if we take it as a separate sentence, then Gudakeshena Rishike
Bhagini, what I will do, because of the struggle, I will show the Anvaya Vakya. Okay. Once we see the Anvaya Vakya, you will appreciate the verse better. Okay, let's see the Anvaya Vakya. Sanjayaha Dhritarashtram Uddishya Vadati. That is the Sanjayo Vacha. Okay. That is the simple Samskrita expansion of Sanjayo Vacha. I have put it in grey because they are our own words, not the words in the original Gita. Okay. Sanjayo Vacha is retranslated here as Sanjayaha Dhritarashtram Uddishya Vadati. Okay, Kim Vadati? Hey Bharata, Hey Dhritarashtra iti. Okay, then everything else is what he told. Gudakeshena evam yatha purvasmin shloke asit tata uktaha Hrishikeshaha ubayoho senayoho madhye rathottamam Sthapayitva Ratheshu Uttamam. Probably Saptami Tatpurusha would be better there. But anyway, we'll not worry about that. Rathottamam Sthapayitva. Hey Partha, Etan Samavetan Kurun Tvam Pashya. Tvam is there or not? I don't know. It's there. Okay. Tvam Pashya. Iti Uvacha. So this Uvacha has been taken to, you can say, Krishna's saying to Arjuna. Okay. This quote iti uvacha. Kaha uvacha? Hrishikeshaha uvacha. Kidrishaha Hrishikeshaha kimapi uktaha. Kena uktaha? Gudakeshena uktaha. Kim uktaha? Evam uktaha. तो कथम उक्तः एवं उक्तः. ओके. एवम् इत्यस्य एक्सपेंशन अस्ति यथा पूर्वस्मिन् श्लोकेषु अर्जुनेन उक्तमासीत् तथा. Is it clear, Bhagini?
Yes, sir. Only thing I was thinking, this Rishikesha can also, this way it is correct, but Rishikesha is also a karma in the first sentence, no?
Correct. No disagreement. See, Gudakeshena evam uktah Hrishikesha. Up till that part is the karmatva of Hrishikesha to the karmani prayoga of Gudakeshena uktah. Okay.
Correct.
Then
which
he
becomes
continues.
a karta.
He switches around now as a karta in the proper sense as a pratama vibhakti word with the set. This is completely legal. Okay. What is pratama vibhakti karma for how he has, see, basically for qualifying Hrishikesha, all that is told. Gudakeshena eva muktah Hrishikesha. Okay.
Correct. Okay.
So karmani leading off to a karma pada that switches around as a karta for the second half. And the whole thing is told by Sanjaya to Dhritarashtra. Okay. There is actually a double quote around the whole thing, but that goes on for multiple verses, so we will not bother about that. Okay. Is this Anvaya Vakya clear to you guys? See, whatever is in gray is not in the verse. Whatever is in other colors are in the verse, and this Shashti Tatpurusha I have to correct. Ratasya Uttamam, no, it's Saptami Tatpurusha. Like Bhagini told, that is correct.
This uvacha is a langlakara.
Maybe lit. It is actually
lit
directive.
Lit
It may be lit. Yeah.
So
Uktavan ityasya liti uvacha iti bhavati. Avadat is lang.
Vadati will not be then.
Avadat is lang. Very, very rich language, Bhagini. So many ways to say. That's why the Kavis have a lot of freedom to make beautiful verses like this with all the prasa, which Bhaginis here can sing so well. Okay. All right. So
beautiful picture, sir.
That is all my contribution in this. Maybe this Anvaya Vakya is helpful, what I have added. So the book has this Anvaya Rachana set. Okay. So you guys go through
line
this.
Should read as Avadat, no, here instead of Vadati then.
Where?
Sanjaya Dhritarashtra Uddishya Avadat.
Yeah, if you are living in the times of Sanjaya, you can say Vadati. If you want to say it's all in the past, Avadat. No, makes no qualitative difference.
Correct. If we want to translate Uvacha, then it will become Avadat.
No, Uvacha is about Krishna, not about Sanjaya.
No. In Bhagavad Gita, we say Sanjaya Uvacha, no? There.
Oh, you are saying. Okay, Bhagini. Are you happy? You are very demanding.
You are teaching us to be more sharp, sir.
Yes, correct, Bhagini. I agree with you. I corrected, you see. Okay.
On our own, we may have not observed, but you are highlighting so many things. We are learning more.
No. Your point is well made. Like just, believe me, yes, I should have put Avadat there. That would have been more accurate. All right. So I think you guys go through the Anvaya Vakya. Just let me read it once and conclude, because otherwise we will not be having lunch today. He Bharata iti sambodhanam uvacha kriyapadam kaha uvacha Hrishikesha uvacha. Again, see, they pulled out the Karmani Vakya using Kidrishaha Hrishikesha. Brilliant. Kidrishaha Hrishikesha uktaha Hrishikesha, the one who was told. Katam uktaha evam uktaha kena uktaha Gudakeshena. So they concluded the Karmani portion. Kim Kritva uvacha, they are bringing out the sthana and kala. किं कृत्वा उवाच स्थापयित्वा उवाच कं स्थापयित्वा रथोत्तमं स्थापयित्वा कर्म कुत्र स्थापयित्वा मध्ये कयोः मध्ये उभयोः मध्ये पुनः कयोः उभयोः सेनयोः मध्ये. You can bring it as two answers or one answer. Okay, kayoho madhye ubayoho madhye punah kayoho ubayoho, like that, and then senayoho ubayoho, like. But they have brought it out together. Nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. Kim uvacha he partha sambodhanam pashya iti. Okay, see, they have finished off. Pashya iti uvacha kaha pashya tvam pashya कान पश्य कुरून् पश्य कीदृशान् कुरून् समवेतान् कुरून् पुनः कीदृशान् एतान् समवेतान् कुरून्. So now एतान् समवेतान् कुरून् त्वं पश्य इति उवाच. Then you can bring the other sentence out. सेनयोः उभयोः मध्ये रथोत्तमं स्थापयित्वा गुडाकेशेन एवम् उक्तः हृषीकेशः उवाच. And before the uvacha, put in quotes this sentence. Okay, you're done. So Anvaya Vakya, that's all I have done that here. Okay, I have pretty much done that here. Maybe here, there, it may not be in the exact order as the Anvaya Rachana unraveled, but you can see the relationship. Okay, since they missed Sanjay Uvacha, I have just included it in gray here.
Sir, in exam also we need to write like this only?
You have to do the Anvaya Rachana somewhat like this. So don't worry, don't get caught up that you missed something, etc. Okay, somewhat like this you have to do. Okay, and if you write this Anvaya Vakya for a larger 4 or 5 marks question, that will be also nice. But it is so easy. Once you have done this, you know to do this. Okay, they are both highly linked.
Only shlokas.
How does Ukta change to Uvacha?
Ukta is there. Uktaha is qualifier
That is
to
a dhatu,
Hrishikeshaha. Uvacha is there separately in the verse. You see here. Uvacha partha
But the dhatu is
pashyetan.
Ukta, isn't it?
Vad dhatu, you are saying? Maybe. Vad dhatu for both.
Bru dhatu.
Bru
dhatu
or
or
bru
vach,
is uvacha.
vach plus kartari lit.
Okay. Slight, but the same meaning. Both are about telling. Both are about telling, but two different dhatus. Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Oh, it is
So,
from Bru dhatu.
Uktaha is the kta pratyayanta there, kridanta form, and also comes from dhatu that relates to telling. Uvacha is an active.
Same, both same. Bru or vach.
Lit ling lakara. Yeah.
Only shlokas appearing in the book will be coming, no? For
Correct, sir. Only shlokas appearing in the book will come. Huh?
These are there in our book only in the end, the last chapter. Some of the verbs are given, no? There, brew and everything is there.
Listed. Okay, very good.
Everything we have, most of them I checked. It's all there behind it.
But there are some 120 of them, 133 of them. So we have to carefully, look at them. It'll be nice to read it once. Don't worry. See, don't get into the pressure that I have to memorize. Just read it like I told. In your scrapbook, make a few sentences. Actually, yesterday, one of the students, he sent some sample sentences and asked me to take a look quickly to see if he's going right. So, of course, I can't do mass correction and help, but here and there, when you have done significant effort, I can take a look, not a problem. Okay. All right, guys. So with this, at least we concluded the Anvaya Rachana portion. So afternoon, let us conclude the balance few works that are there for this chapter. Okay. So please have a nice lunch and let's gather back at 3 p.m. and continue and at least close out 7th chapter, maybe even begin the 8th. Okay. Namaste.
Thank you, sir.
Uktaha is not an adverb, so that you can't ask katam bhutaha. You cannot ask like that, no, sir?
You can ask katam bhutaha also for that, uktaha.
Okay, because it's an adverb, no, sir?
Yeah, it's an adjective.
Adjective.
Okay. Adjective to Krishna.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Dhanyawad.
Thank you.
Thank you
so much, sir.
Thank you.